Explain how to maintain the LED screen. The whole module is spliced by 8 such small modules. If the overall color of the module is abnormal or flickering, check the cable in the back cover. Next, I will explain how to replace the wiring. Turn on the screen first. After opening, the upper part is two power supplies. Here is the receiving card. The receiving card comes out with 8 cables connected to the corresponding screen. You can see that JK1, 2, 3, and 4 are marked on the card. The corresponding screens are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the following are JK5, 6, 7, and 8. The corresponding screens are 5, 6, 7, and 8. Show how to replace a cable. To replace the cable of the screen, you need to loosen the screws under the power supply. After unscrewing and picking up the battery, you can see the power supply and the cable of the screen. Remove the cable. Can be replaced with a new cable after removal. After plugging in, tidy up the wiring. It is all replaced and installed, and then the back cover is installed. After installation, recharging and testing can solve the problem of flickering the whole block.